hunter.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy Tuna Sean in the building. I've been going for a minute, but as you can see, we got some new seats. We got these Nismo Recaro RS seats. These come out in the Nissan Nismo Jukes. So the material compared to the original V2 Nismo Recaro seats is completely different, colorway different. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing these guys in the car today. More than likely, this is just like a catch up with me type of vlog, you feel me? Just to see where I've been and stuff. So we're gonna pop these in. Car came back with a little more sauce. Shout out to the guys out in Miami, Ray, and my tuner, Monsef Admin Tuning. Y'all get at them if you need any type of tuning, any type of like, you know, they get you right, you feel me? But yeah, so I've been MIA for a minute, man. We ain't been uploading no videos. We've been out the way. Content on the way, car meets, racing, X, Y, and Z, man, you name it, we gonna be doing it, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna pop these into the car real quick. And I'm gonna do a walk around, probably do a quick build breakdown. So yeah, let's stay tuned, man. See how everything go for you. All right, man, so quick note about this. These seats, you have to buy hardware and extra stuff that you're gonna need to pretty much be able to get these seats to sit into the car, you feel me? Because if they come in straight out of the juke, bro, they not finna sit in here, you feel me? The Recaro bracket, my guy Davis over there at Hirsch Motorsports, he ordered this. This came straight from Europe. For whatever reason, I guess the seats don't bolt down. The seat itself doesn't bolt down directly to the V2 Recaro seat that come in the V2 Nismos. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that, but either way, you do have to order some stuff. And by the time I edit this video, I should be able to provide the info that you guys will need if you do plan on getting your hands on some of these seats, man. But yeah, give me a minute after both of these seats is in, and we're gonna do a follow-up right there. But yeah. I like the look of like the red on black, and then the car being black itself, obviously. But yeah, man, I'm gonna pull it outside, go and get ready to have a breakdown for y'all. I'll probably be in a whole nother location, but y'all stay tuned though. Hey man, we back with the motherfucking walkthrough now, build breakdown on my 2016 370Z Nismo. Nothing too crazy, nothing too calm, you know what I mean? So a little backstory on this car. This car originally was in Atlanta. I saw it at CarMax. I had just lost my 350 at this point in time. So I was like, man, bump it. I'm gonna pull a shot on it, go up there, go buy it. Bought it, had it shipped down to Savannah, and the rest is pretty much history. I boosted this car like within a year. And I'm gonna always tell y'all this, man. If you plan on boosting a VQ, I see like a common issue with a lot of people not wrapping their sub harness. And the sub harness sits in between the transmission, like on the right side of the transmission, a little bit, I want to say up under, maybe give or take up under the header, right? In my case, I end up from my engine harness, man, just based off of not heat wrapping it, and also it's raining that day, so it short circuited the car and just cooked a bunch of crap. But besides all that, we back now. We putting pressure on people. Yeah, so let me pick y'all up real quick. Give y'all the real quick walk around on this bad boy, you feel me? So yeah, stop block VHR. Right here, nothing too crazy, no built block up in here. Stop block, you might be asking, well, hell, where the turbo at, Sean? I'll let you guess on where the turbo is at, you feel me? This car, man, love-hate relationship with this vehicle, man, and like in a dramatic way at that, bro. A lot of people who know me know that this car has definitely been very problematic, but nonetheless, I still enjoy it. So we're gonna start up front. Well, we're gonna start with the body itself. 2016, like I said, V2 Nismo. I have the RPF1 SBCs up front. Now, a lot of people ask, well, what wheels are you running up front? Or what's the specs on these wheels? So this is an 18 by 9.5 plus 15. All right. Now, I'll let y'all take a look so you can get an idea of what you might be dealing with. You feel me? It has a little bit of camber. I got to touch up on that. But nonetheless, that's what we got in the front, right? Rolling over to the back, we have the Well Lagunas. Now, this spec that I have is a 17 by 10. It's either a plus 45 or plus 0, something crazy like that, right? But either way, they don't make this spec no more. From what I heard, they don't make this spec no more, man. And this is one of those specs where it's kind of like, I guess you had to kind of know that he was making these at one point in time. I don't know the backstory on them. I do know that these aren't in production for this spec. That's why I do know, because I told people the specs and they gone and look them up, and they don't find anything. You know what I mean? These were definitely hard to get my hands on, but I'm glad I was able to get my hands on them. But yeah, enjoy them like a mug, bro. Like, I don't see too many Z's with the Lagunas on them. Not saying that ain't nobody doing it. I just don't see it a lot. You feel me? Moving on to the back, I have Morimoto tail lights, some Gen 1 style. If you know, a lot of people just started copying, like, I guess the Gen 2 Morimoto's tail lights, because Morimoto just dropped a whole new set of headlights and tails. ISR single exit. I want to go to ISR Pro, either a Tome, just to have it poke out a little bit. But otherwise than that, man, I still bump with it, bro. I like ISR, man. I bump with ISR the long way. Yeah, aesthetic wise, there ain't too much going on, man. The end goal right now is to have partial carbon fenders up front, and have what do you call it? It's kind of like a deck lip spoiler, but it's just nothing but an extension. But I want a carbon one, and go right there pretty much. So yeah, a lot of people, if you know, you know. Already at the beginning of the video, I showed you guys I was installing the V2, not the V2, but the Nismo Juke RS seats. Don't mind the floor mats, man. I gotta get some new floor mats. But yeah, bro, these is it right here, man. Some calm floor mats for real, not floor mats, fudge. My bad, y'all, man. Y'all bump me. But yeah, the seats are calm, bro. You don't see these a lot in V2 Nismos, let alone black ones. But when you do see them, just know that these seats is kind of hard to get your hands on them, right along with just getting the parts just to assemble them. You know what I mean? Very comfortable seat, man. If I had to choose between these and the V2 Nismo Recaros, I'm always gonna choose these, man. The material itself is very like plush, man. Like I can't even explain how plush this job really is. Quality seat for sure. Quality seat for sure, man. But yeah. So that's pretty much it. So right now we're sporting a 67 comp oilless turbo. Somebody might be like, well, bro, why you going oilless? Why don't you do coolant fed or what have you? I bought this kit off a homie of mine, and that's pretty much it, bro. I jumped on a deal at that time, and that was pretty much what I ended up going with. Now, end goal for this car right now, bro. Bruh. Oh, there's a Subi in the back. End goal for this car right now, man, is maybe twin pumping this car and maybe a wrap. Right now, I'm kind of finishing up on this build and kind of coming to a close with it, because the end goal is to go ahead and go get a C6 Z06. If you know me, you know that's like one of my dream cars of owning. So yeah, bro. But this is it. You might be asking where the front bumper at right now. I'm actually in the process of having one come in, repaint it, and then slap it on the car, and then do a paint correction on the car, because the car sat for like a while and pretty much just got dirty and paint fades and stuff like that, man. So stuff happens, but yeah though, man, I definitely enjoy this car to like a T, bro. I can't say I hate the car, because I don't. It's just once you start working on these cars and start really building them and stuff like that, bro, the level of predictability of reliability kind of varies. And I would definitely tell you this, man, just as much as like my tuner, Monsef, or even one of my maintenance guys, Ray. Don't cut corners when it comes down to boosting a VQ, bro. Like, if you want to make sure that your car runs reliably, do the work that needs to be done so the car can do that. You feel me? Again, the car is definitely a fun car to drive. Could I daily it? Yeah. On low boost? Yeah. Would I? Probably not. But either way, that's nonetheless. I enjoy this car like dramatically, bro. That's a spider on my whip. Yeah. But yeah, man. So again, if y'all have any questions, shoot me a DM. If you want specs on anything, let me know. But yeah, just I don't even know what to say, bro. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Next video, I'll probably be doing a couple like races and pulls and what have you. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. It's your boy Tuner Sean, and we out of here.